These are the giant 17 by 24 moss bases that came in. So we're gonna take our large base. We're gonna need a zip tie. So I've got this piece. I've got this piece. It comes and it's gonna look like a long tube. You gotta fluff it out. Okay. Then I was like, what ribbon can I use? So I liked this ribbon with this one. So then I was looking at my ribbon. I was like, okay, now I got to get some more colors, right? So this is now the focal of the wreath. And I want to try to bring in several of the colors that are here. So to do that, I literally went through the new flowers and I pulled in the bright green forsythia. I brought in the yellow, and then those blue flowers that I said I thought were ugly when they came in. Once I fluffed them out and looked at them with the color combination, they're perfect. So let's make our arrangement. Y'all, we're literally just gonna zip tie all these together. We're gonna work our yellow one right behind it and our green one right behind it. Put in our blue. And we're gonna zip tie all those stems together. All right, zip tying at the top. I'm probably gonna put 2 zip ties, one towards the top of the stems and then one towards the bottom just to make sure it doesn't move. Y'all, it's going on a 24 by 17 base, so over the top is gonna be fun. All right, y'all, now we just gotta get all of these mixed in together. So I'm gonna try to bring some of these yellow down to the bottom, work some out towards the front, make sure our pink are still showing. All right, y'all, we're gonna have our bow in the middle, so I'm kind of leaving that spot open. I'm gonna get this added to my wreath frame. Y'all, and I think I want it to be down here towards the bottom. Like this. So we'll be able to push some of this stuff back the other way. All right, I'm gonna use zip ties to attach this into the frame. And then I want to get some zip ties towards the top to make sure it doesn't fall off. Now I can just rearrange my little flowers to make sure they're all where I need them to be. Need one up here at the top. All right, let's get a bow made. So now we've got that giant arrangement sitting on that pretty base. Y'all, this is why I said you could do this with any type of base, not just the green one. So this would still be pretty on a regular grapevine. So I'm gonna go with a pretty long tail on one end. Give it a good twist. Get it right in here. Y'all, we're gonna make a pretty simple bow, but it's gonna be all one color. So an 8-inch tail on this side. Yeah, I didn't do anything. I just zip tied the stems right in. Another long stem down here. I'm going to get one more loop in there so we have an odd number. All right, let's get our bow tied off. This ribbon is super thick, y'all. We may have too many loops because of how thick it is. Thinking I should have just stuck with 3 loops. There's a nice little bow. All right, now we're just gonna get this added right into here. Y'all, if I was gonna redo this, I would probably do only 3 loops in the bow. All right, let's get this trimmed up. Then we'll see if we can get some of the flowers to show through the bow. So you see how all of the flowers are behind the bow? Now we can take some of our flowers and just pull them forward and bend those wires into the bow. All right, so whenever you do that, it makes it look more unified and not just like you made a project and then slapped a bow on top of it. So y'all, it's done. That easy. So this is one of those projects that you hope would become one that sells over and over again in your shop because it's so quick and easy to make.